Apple filling the gap. It's filled it. Talked about that yesterday. And now we're just pulling back down to the 100 simple on a weekly chart. So it's at 150. So we're only about $1 away from that. And again, probably most likely on Apple, you're looking at pyramiding into this point here for some type of bullish trade. And for me, as we pull into really like 149, 148, that'll be where I'll start taking some bull positions on Apple. Again, just buy things that you know, buy things you like, and just do so very slowly right now. Apple's holding in strong.
Beautiful 12-point bounce on Apple, pulled into that 148 price point, which was the 100 simple on the weekly, and also the 200 on the daily, along with the 10, 20, 50 exponential moving averages. Fantastic buy low, sell high opportunity into a nice bull trend. Congratulations on 12 points on Apple.